train. Goes back there. I miss those.
Cool.
Yeah.
Indiana Jones Adventure.
That's actually a really nice
What do we
poster.
do with Dalmatians?
Oh my god, yeah.
Matron.
Yeah. All the princesses.
Oh, that's cool. It took me several years to get on the list to see this.
So Jungle. And there's the Incredibles back there.
Oh, is that what he's talking about, the
Yeah.
depiction?
Indiana Jones. That's good. Oh, Wally. And look, there's the wishing well.
Wow, that's pretty amazing.
We got Splash Mountain. Simple bare necessities. Haunted Mansion. Sleeping Beauty's Castle.
That is amazing.
How many different characters? That's so cool.
Yeah.
You know, just like you were walking in. Oh my god, it actually is. You got Main Street. You got the statue going all the way up to the
Sleeping Beauty's Castle.
castle.
So cool.
Oh look, there's Brave with the standing stones. There's another train.
Splash Mountain. I wonder if they're going to change that to the Tatiana.
Ah, lizard!
Oh, look at the lizard on the mountain. How cool is that?
Aw, the cloud with the stork.
Oh, yeah. That is so amazing.
I like the Night on Ball Mountain reference. Why can't I think of the character's name? Oh well. Oh, up to Mount Olympus and Moana. Oh look, the search for Atlantis down there. And you got Mickey up there and Hercules over there. And then we go to Latin America by hitting the Emperor's New Groove.
Casey's Railroad.
And then the Lion King. Oh, and they've even got the cart. No way. There's Alice in Wonderland. Oh, wow.
That's really nice, isn't it?
That is a really awesome tower.
It also looks like the water features going on here all over the place. Very cool.
There's Peter Pan and the Mermaids and Pocahontas.
Oh, yeah.
sweet. We got to get ourselves a Bette Midler reference. And then
Even though Bette Midler character's not in there.
Aww.
And
There's
you actually eventually see
Ariel and the
Ariel's sister in the water.
king, and then down underneath, even under the water, there's Prince Eric.
I don't think you can.
And then we go up to Belle, and there's an Up reference. Look at that house. Oh my God. And then back in the corner is hiding is Frozen, and then you got the Beast Castle.
Even the village.
Oh, and Aristocrats. Aristocats.
But not just the castle, but even the village.
Yeah.
Beauty and the Beast. And look,
Oh, look, Olaf's getting a sunny beach day. So big.
doesn't seem to be functioning.
And we got Bug's Life. We've got Robin Hood. Cars Land. Cars. Oh, Brother Bear. Down there. Oh wow, that's a really cool Big Thunder Mountain.
Cars. Yeah, I was watching it on the way here.
And DCA is represented with a Rapids ride.
It's so fun.
God, the attention to detail is so cool.
Yeah.
Gold Nugget. And the goat. Look, Toy Story is represented.
I and me too. I didn't want to go inside there. Once a year.
Oh yeah, there's DC's California Adventure represented. Rainbow Tavern.
I don't know how they'd be able to add any more.
Soon.
Like, where are they going to put it?
I know.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's like a mini